What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is David Cantero. I am out here in sunny San Diego building an online business, building a social media agency and a digital publishing company. And I cannot be more fired up to have you guys stop by and just say hello. I just wanted to introduce myself really quick just so you can kind of know who I am, where I'm coming from, and what you can expect on my channel. I've been out here in San Diego my entire life, and for the past 20 years, I've been a serial entrepreneur. I built every type of business. I've been in every type of sales job. I've just been on the grind for a very long time. And it wasn't until 2016 when I left everything I was doing in the past to go start my own social media agency. So from 2016 till this day, I've been focused on one niche, helping that niche with social media marketing and Facebook advertising. And it was in late 2018 when I took my knowledge and simply wrote a book, and then took that book and developed an actual training course, a digital publishing online course teaching my specific niche how to do what I was doing for them physically. And so that's when I fell in love with affiliate marketing. That's when I fell in love with digital publishing. The ability to sell your knowledge in the form of video and make a crazy profit from it all. So I've been on a mission, you guys, to crack the code with affiliate marketing, with social media marketing and scaling my agency, and also with digital publishing. So I just cannot be more fired up, you guys. I cannot be more humbled to have you guys here and really just spending the time to really see what I'm all about. So if you guys are into landing pages and email automation and sales and online entrepreneurship, if you guys are into affiliate marketing and social media marketing, you guys are definitely in the right spot. What I do daily is I drop a new video, mainly tutorial type of videos, whether it's on affiliate marketing, whether it's on how I'm building my social media agency, whether it's regarding digital courses and digital publishing. That is what I'm really fired up about, is really teaching people how to turn their knowledge, their passion, and their skills into profits through digital publishing. So if that's you, you guys are definitely in the right spot. Hit the notifications. Make sure you're subscribed and drop me a comment below. Let me know where you're coming from. Let me know what type of business you're building online, and let me know how I can bring value to what you got going on. I check this channel daily. I'm uploading videos daily, and I'm into my business and in the trenches daily. So what you're going to get here on this channel is not hype, it's not theory, it's hardcore, real tactics, real experience on what I'm doing daily, on how I'm building my business and how I'm scaling it to levels that I've never thought possible. So you guys got to stay tuned. Make sure again you're subscribed. Share my videos. Whenever you come across a video that I do, whether it's on how to design a landing page, or how to put together a messenger bot, or how to run specific Facebook ads or Instagram ads or even YouTube ads, if you find value in my videos, please feel free to click like. Please feel free to share the video. That right there, you guys, the engagement is how we're going to grow this channel. The engagement is how we grow the views and all of that with our video content. So YouTube is what I'm trying to crack. I had a channel prior to this one. This one is getting up and going in 2019, and this is going to be the start of a daily video vlog that I got going on for you. Again, it's going to be tutorials. It's going to be day in the life. It's going to be rants of an entrepreneur. So if you guys are just in the trenches and aspiring to be an online entrepreneur, you guys are definitely in the right spot. So I appreciate your time. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be out here in San Diego, so if you guys are ever out here on the West Coast, feel free to drop me a message, man, and check the links in the description. I have a lot going on. Again, courses is where my bread and butter is at. Courses is where my passion is at. I just truly believe there's no profit margin like digital courses. So if you're into social media marketing, and if you're building your own agency, or if you're an aspiring agency owner, again, I've been building one hands-on, and I took a very unique approach to it, very different than most of these gurus are teaching you how to build a business. But I took a very unique approach and went all in with social media when it came to building my agency. So if you guys are into learning how I kind of did that and what my techniques are and what my strategies are, again, that is my full-time business. That's how I feed my family. Make sure you click the link in the description, which is digitalagencyblueprint.com. Get on the VIP list. You'll be the first one notified when I drop that training course. If you guys are aspiring course creators, if you guys are like, hey, I know something, I have knowledge, I have a passion, I have some type of skill, and it could be anything, man. It could be cooking, it could be baking, it could be fitness, it could be yoga, it could be that you're the best at running Shopify or Facebook ads, or you're the best at building Amazon FBA stores. Whatever you got in your brain, I want to teach you how to turn it into profits through digital publishing. That link is in the description. That is digitalcourseblueprint.com. Get on that VIP list, and I promise you, you will not regret it. If you guys are building anything online, any type of business whatsoever that consists of leads and capturing leads and email and Autobot registration, if you guys are building any type of business online, you have to take a look at Kartra. Kartra is the one software that builds my entire online business, from my shopping cart to my email automations to my landing pages to where I host my digital course to my affiliate marketing. Kartra is literally the one software that can do it all for you. No more having to pay all these different services for monthly random products and services. No more having to do that. Everything is all exclusive. Everything is all in one, and that is Kartra. That link is in the description. There's a 14-day trial. Profitwithkartra.com is where you can find information regarding that. So you guys, I appreciate your time. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell for notifications so you're notified every single day when I drop a new video. And I'm going to keep it authentic, I'm going to keep it real, and I'm going to keep it fresh, you guys. So I'll see you guys in the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Over and out. See you soon.